Welcome back to my home, Cooks and Chef. My motto is food feeds the soul. You guys, we're about to make this amazing breakfast sandwich. Let's get into the ingredients. All right, you guys, so these are the basic ingredients you need. Eggs, beef bacon. Yes, you heard me right, beef bacon. And biscuits, and the real butter, not margarine. So let's get over to making the biscuits. I'm gonna show you, I got a quick and easy, but interesting way on the twist of these biscuits. So you see, we're not gonna be doing the biscuits in a traditional way. We're gonna be actually doing them in a waffle iron. Yep, you know, to make these sandwiches. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Pretty simple. Popped open the biscuits already. And what you wanna do is have some spray. This is butter flavored spray. You always wanna use this, so spray it up. Spray it. All right. And so what you want to do with the biscuit, put it in the center. Close it down. All right, so they're done. Took about probably good 5 to 7 minutes. Depending on your, waffle maker, you can put this in any type. I'm about to get ready to pull these out. On both sides. You plate it up. All right, so we're about to cook up some beef bacon. This is, if you notice my hand, this is like you tell, it's not pork bacon because bacon's not sliced this thick. So this is obviously beef. So I just cut it in half, 2 pieces. That's all you need to make these sandwiches because I'm only making 2. So I'll get ready to cook it. I ain't gonna show you how to cook it, because it's obvious. But I just wanted to show you how big beef bacon is. All right, so see you in a minute when I finish assembling. All right, so if you notice, the beef had a lot of fat, so we're gonna take advantage of it. I remember my grandma, when she make her eggs, she used the bacon fat. So I'm gonna use the beef fat. Why not? Make it save on butter. Alright, so I'm not gonna bore you with making eggs. Just gonna finish cooking this up and finish simmering everything. Alright, so first, just put some butter on it while it's hot. Mind you, it's still a biscuit. We always want to add that little extra flavor, that little buttery flavor. Next thing you want to do is add your syrup. Next, we're going to add the eggs. Now, what I do normally is season my put seasoning on, or salt and pepper on my eggs after, because sometimes if you put it on there while it's cooking, it salts it up, so it makes it real salty. So just a little tip. And now we add the star of the show, the beef bacon, guys. You can't I don't care what kind of breakfast you have, you gotta have some bacon up in there. So we having beef on the menu. So, all right, you guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you'll try this biscuit waffle breakfast sandwich. I don't know what to call it. Y'all leave it in the comments. What should I call this sandwich? Help me out to name it. But it came out pretty good. Let me know if you tried this before. Really simple and easy. I wanted to make something for you guys, for your Saturday morning, something you want to get up and make. I'm gonna have more of these type of videos coming soon, but this is my little biscuit sandwich. It's kind of open face, with a waffle style biscuit. Really simple, easy, didn't take that long to make. But thanks for coming through. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I'm coming out with a lot of these great recipes like this throughout the month. I'm trying to keep up with the schedule, so make sure you stay tuned. If you didn't do yet, press that notification bell, so every time I post up videos, you will see them coming. All right, you guys, so I'm your Chef KC. I will see you guys in the next one.